This is a short tutorial on how to use your Google Drive. From your Gmail, if you click on the waffle on the top right-hand corner, you'll go to the triangle, which is your Google Drive. This is going to bring up your Google Drive. Your drive is like a filing cabinet. It'll hold videos, audio files, images, PDFs, anything that you can think of. When you go into your drive, across the top, it's going to give you information on the most recent files that you've opened. And then if you scroll down, it's going to give you all of the folders that you've created, as well as all of the files that you've created. On the left, you have My Drive, which if you click the little caret, it'll just open up all of your folders in a different view. You have Shared Drives, which this is something where people can share a drive with you and everybody can contribute. And then you have Shared with Me. So if somebody shares a document with me, you'll find it under Shared with Me. To create a new folder, document, slide, sheet, anything within a Google product, you'll click on New and then choose what it is that you want to create. So in this case, I want to create a folder. It'll ask me what I want to name it, and click Create. Once my folder has been created, it shows me right there it is. I can double click it, and then I can just drag and drop files from anywhere on my computer into this folder, and it will automatically be saved in my Google Drive. When you're in your drive, if you don't like the list view, which is line by line, if you click on the 4 little squares, it will show you your Google Drive in a grid view. And that is your Google Drive.